Today, we talk about...
Hello folks, welcome back. It says do not open with a sharp object. We'll see why in a minute. Where's my dish? Using a trusty key is always smart. Oh, dang. Came with a nice little thank you from Extra. Packaging is always important, so that's what I'm going to start with. Oh, nice. Love this graphic. Great design. I love that. Now, what do we got here? We have the Extra Butter X, the North Face, Nightcrawlers, Nuptse jacket in a size L. But I ain't take that L though. I got that raffle. I'm on a streak, son. $350 retail with tax came out to $397.39, aka full 100. Nice. So not going to be returning these. Don't think I need them, but love the extra care in the packaging. Love that. Okay. Now to the jacket. It's got it. All right. So I do plan on doing a full-on history of the North Face review at some point, but didn't want to pass up a chance to give you all a closer look at this ish, so let's get it. Wow, bro. First of all, this feels super silky. Love that. And then get some decals there, decals there. What does it say? Relaxed fit. The Extra Butter branding, responsibly sourced down feather. Oh, nice little adjustable I guess collar for your wrist, and then it's got a foldable hoodie under here, I imagine. I'm not going to be using that too often, I hope. This is a size large, and then you can obviously see the pattern of the sete all over it, kind of resembling this. And if it was dark out, I would probably include a shot of this. Maybe I'll put it in post. But yeah, that's what it's supposed to mimic. Very, very lovely inspirational coat. I had never owned a North Face product before. There's your patented back bop of North Face. And then, yeah, man, just this whole cityscape. This is what New York's about, man. People talk about natural beauty and the mountains and the horizon and the Wild West and day, but to me, the lights of a skyscraper-filled city like New York, that's where it's at, my guy. And I was looking at the Denali fleece. That's more of a classic North Face product, but I will probably do an inline product for that and then do a full history video of the brand of North Face, and I'll be looking forward to that. But there you go, closer look at this product. Super, super, super cool. Nice details to it. Didn't overdo it with the graphics. Subtle, but definitely noticeable. All around great. What do you say we try it on, huh? Unzip. I'll just put it over the hoodie. What's the matter? Not the best look for it, but you'll get the idea. Oh wow. I did pick the perfect size. Very nice. So you see where it kind of sits? Right along the butt. Boom. Yeah, wow. Bruh. Damn, son. Damn. I mean, bruh. Look at this. This is so cool. And it feels light, but I can tell it's going to keep me warm. I got a nice little inside pocket. Yeah, zipper pocket. Again, adjustable sleeve issues. Birthday nice. Yeah, say. Yeah, overall fantastic execution, man. This is, shout out to Extra Butter. Y'all crushed it. This is so dope. Wow. Bet. Huh. So, the North Face exclusively for Extra Butter. Iconic, oversized, baffles, and boxy silhouette inspired by the design of our 1996 Nuptse. Reproduced with the original shiny ripstop fabric with durable water-repellent finish, hood stows and collar and jacket stows in right-hand pocket. Huh? What? Hold on. Is that it? Light, responsibly sourced, highly compressible, 550 to 800 fill, goose down for superior insulation. dope. Oh, what? They weren't kidding. Huh. Wow. Ah, I see, I see. Stow the North Face. Let's give it a shot. I feel like this is like the last arm of Jafar when he's getting into the genie's like, no! Oh boy. Huh, wow. It actually worked. Huh. Wow. Well, there you have it. I mean, the cool thing about it is, well, you get the stow, the North Face there, but then you still get a little bit of the graphic of the city lights there, which is super cool. And then it's just like a nice big log. You just kind of carry around, I guess, which I don't know how this is better than just wearing it wherever you're taking it, but I guess if you're moving or storing it somewhere, I don't know, whatever. Yeah, definitely would recommend going with your true size as far as, or I guess whatever regular size you get for coats. Yeah, I love that with the Empire State in the background. We shall prevail. Saucy. Yeah, with that said, let me know if you have any questions about it, but otherwise, we good on this. We out. Peace.